As a small channel, you might be thinking that, oh, I have done every setting on my channel and I do not need to do any other setting. Just keep posting videos. Let me tell you something. YouTube keeps updating their back end every single month. So you need to be going there to check it. First of all, let me tell you something. When I discovered this new setting, I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. No wonder I wasn't getting views. Do you understand? So if you have been struggling to get views, this setting I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind, because you are going to be looking at it that this setting has been rolled out since 5 to 6 months ago. What is going on? You've not enabled it on your channel and you don't know that you are supposed to enable it on your channel, because I am going to be telling you the importance of this setting after showing you how to enable this setting on your channel. So watch this video to the very end so you will not miss this very vital information, because this is going to help your channel really fast if you are struggling with low views and you have not been able to even cross more than 50 views or 20 views on your video every day. So let me walk you through this. So you go to your YouTube studio, the desktop version, and you are going to go to channel here. So you are going to go to advanced setting. So when you get to advanced setting here, I'm going to be zooming it in so you will see how it is. You are going to see the automatic dubbing not checked. You can see that it's not checked, so you are going to check it. You are going to tick it so it will be on your channel. Once you tick it, another setting is going to come underneath. Do not check that one, just leave it the way it is. Don't allow YouTube to manually check it. Just leave it the way it is and you are good to go, because if you check both, YouTube will just be reviewing the automatic dubbing and it will take time before they'll be able to approve. So just check the first one that I've showed you up there and you are good to go. Just the first one. So when you are done, you click on the save right here and then it's saved. Now this is for those that do not have it checked, enabled at all. You can see it here. This is a new channel and this automatic dubbing has never been enabled before on this channel. So what do you have to do? Just click on this enable button right here and then you are good to go. When you click on the enable button right here, it's going to bring out all the list of it. Uncheck the second option. Uncheck the second option. That is all, and then you are good to go. Uncheck the second option. I already said the reason why you should uncheck the second one, so and you are good to go. Now what this setting does to your channel is it distributes your videos to people that are not speaking the same language as you. Now if you are a creator and you create your videos in English, you can be able to get other people that are not speaking English to watch your video. How? YouTube is going to translate your video into their preferred language and they are going to be listening to you in their language, just as you are going to be listening to them, their own videos in English language. So how does this happen? When you turn on this setting, YouTube is automatically going to auto dub your video, and then whatever you are saying on your video, including the caption, is going to be translated into that viewer's language. For example, if the viewer is speaking French and the viewer channel is already set up in a French language, whenever they see your video, they will not just skip past your video and say, oh, I do not understand English, or I do not understand German, or I do not understand French. They will be able to watch your video because immediately the video starts playing in their preferred language. And what does that tell you? It means that your channel will start getting views from different types of geographical area. When you check your channel analytics just like this, you're going to see that people that are not even in your language specification are going to be seeing your video and watching your video, just like what I have put here in this screenshot. So what do you have to do right now? Go over and check if this setting has been enabled on your channel. And now if you're trying to get your 4,000 watch hour or your 1,000 subscriber and you have been struggling, I offer one-on-one coaching section. I'm going to be taking you by the hand and I'm going to be putting you through how I was able to get my 1,000 subscriber and be able to accumulate the watch hour I have now in just 9 months of being on YouTube. Yes, even though my niche is very hard to get to that type of subscriber and watch hour, I was still able to break through. I was still able to do this, and I'm going to be taking you by the hand and showing you how you are going to also do the same thing for any niche that you are going to come across. So just click the link in the description box or check my bio. You are going to see how you are going to book your one-on-one session with me. And now I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.